Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Ollama latest version on Windows 11 PC. Few days ago, I was showing you how to install Ollama old version, but in recent update, Ollama give us feel like ChatGPT. So when you install new version of Ollama, then you can easily access Ollama from a chat environment, so you can feel that you chat with ChatGPT. And in recent update, Ollama come with ChatGPT OSS. It is ChatGPT 4 version local model. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Ollama new version, and then I will show you how to install new ChatGPT 4 model on Ollama. So let's get started. So I open my browser and then search Ollama and hit enter. Then enter this website. This is the official website of Ollama. Then click on download button. Click on download for Windows button. So it show me a new pop-up from Internet Download Manager, and from here I chose download location to desktop and click on save, and also click on remember this path for programs category, and then click on start download button. So download is completed. I close this and minimize my browser and double click on setup file of Ollama. So this is the installation wizard of Ollama. So I click on install button. So it's starting installing on Windows 11. I need to wait. So installation is completed. It show me the latest version of Ollama. So this is the chat layout. So I type here hi or hello and then hit enter. So it show me that this model is not exist on my PC, so it will download the latest version of gpt-oss 20b. So it will take few minutes to few hours, so I need to wait, or I can choose another option, gemma 3 1 billion. So I stop this, and from here I chose GEMMA 3 1 billion. So then I type again hello and then hit enter. So this version also not exist, so it downloading from the online, then I can easily access this model on Ollama new layout. So I need wait. So model download are almost complete, so it take within few seconds. So now it responds my messages. So that was GEMMA 3 1 billion version. So if you need to install GPT OSS 20 billion, then you choose this and then type any message, and then it will automatically download model for you. So that was my video. In this video I just show you how to install ollama latest version and how to install new model on ollama. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.